Okay. Good day, everyone. Today we will be tackling about inheritance. Okay, so inheritance allows one class to inherit fields and methods from another class. It also promotes code reusability and hierarchical structure. So there are three types of inheritance in Java. The first one is single inheritance, which means one class inherits from another. Okay, so example is a class animal, which has a method eat, and another class dog extends animal, which the dog can use the eat method from the animal class and then use its own unique method bark. Okay, for us to implement that, let's clear everything from our previous demo. So we will be starting on our main method computer shop.java. Okay, so let's create a class and name it computer bundle. Okay, so our computer bundle, we have multiple bundles. It can be a gaming bundle or office an office bundle. Okay, but they have similarities. They have monitor, uh, they have keyboard, they have mouse, and a system unit. Okay, so same from our previous discussions, we will use the said variables. Okay, so let's declare a global variable um, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and a system unit. Okay, so let's create a constructor computer bundle with the access modifier as default. Okay, so we will not put anything. We can also put public so that it can be used by other classes. Okay, but let's just delete that. And then let's declare parameters. Okay, string monitor, string keyboard, string mouse, and string system unit. And we will assign these variables. So start from this monitor, referring to the global variable monitor is equals to the parameter monitor. And then this dot keyboard refers to the local variable keyboard inside the computer bundle constructor. So this dot mouse, same, which is the global variable referring to the local variable mouse. And the last thing is this dot system unit, referring to the global variable and assigning to the local variable system unit. Okay, so this will be our parent class, the computer bundle. Okay, so we will be creating a method, or we will be using these variables in all of our subclasses. Okay, so let's output the specs. Okay, system.out.print. So monitor. Let's copy this. Keyboard, mouse, system unit. Then keyboard, mouse, and the system unit itself, system unit. Okay, so now we have other types of computer bundle. We have office bundle and gaming bundle, but still using the same variables. So single inheritance, we will create another class, say office bundle. Okay, so we will inherit the variables or any method or any methods declared inside the class computer bundle. So um, we will use the keyword extends and the name of the class. Okay. So what will happen is that Office bundle extends computer bundle, so it will become the child class, and then the computer bundle class will become the parent class, and then just click this to add a constructor automatically. Okay. So this super keyword refers to the parent class constructor. Okay. But since the Office bundle, we will be offering an extra component, let's say a printer. Okay, so we can add another component here, let's say printer. Okay, so we will not add the printer here since the super class or the parent class does not have a printer. Okay, but we want the Office bundle to have the same components or the same parts of the computer. So the we will output the printer that print cln, let's say with free printer, and then what printer will be free. Okay, so we will assign the printer variable. Okay, if we create an object, Office bundle. Okay, so let's create an object, Office bundle is equals to Office bundle 1. Okay, so new Office bundle. Okay, since we are using parameters in here, we will be passing the values here. So the monitor is, let's say, Asus 27 inches, 24. And then the keyboard is, let's say, mechanical keyboard. Okay, the mouse is, let's say, A4 Tech office mouse. And then the system unit is Intel Core i3. Okay, with 8 GB RAM. And then the last one, we can add what type of printer. As you can see, computer bundle does not have a printer. The Office bundle, we can add a printer, let's say Epson L120. Okay, since we have a constructor, okay, and the parent constructor outputs the said variables, we do not need to output it here since the superclass will be the one who will outputting the variables inside it. Okay, so let's save and then run. And you can see here the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, the system unit with free printer Epson L120. So that is the basic example of single inheritance. Okay, for the hierarchical inheritance, so multiple classes inherit from a single parent class. Okay, so there are two classes here that inherits animal. So both dog and cat can eat, but cat cannot bark and the dog cannot meow. So they have similarities, which is the method eat, and they have uniqueness, which is uh, barking and meowing. Okay, to implement that, uh, we will add another bundle, another class with a name gaming bundle. Okay. So what are their similarities? So both Office bundle and gaming bundle, they have monitor, they have keyboard, they have mouse, and they have a system unit. But the Office bundle has printer, and the gaming bundle does not have a printer. Rather, it has an RGB or any other gaming component. Okay, so we can extend computer bundle so that we can use the variables inside the computer bundle. and then it will automatically add the constructor, and then we will add the unique um, component, let's say string headphone. So this will be the uniqueness, okay, the gaming headphone. And then we will call the superclass or the parent class variables, and then output our own variable with free headphone, and then add the variable headphone. If we save it and then go to our main method, let's close that first, and then create an object for our gaming bundle, bundle 1, new gaming bundle. Okay, so let's say Asus 27 inches, and then same mechanical gaming keyboard, and then gaming mouse, and then say Ryzen 3 or Ryzen 5 with 16 GB of RAM. And then the free headphone, let's say Razor headphones. Okay, if we save, if we run the program, we can see the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, the system unit with free printer. This is for the office bundle, and below it is the gaming bundle. Although we did not declare the monitor, keyboard, mouse, system unit, okay, inside the gaming bundle, but we inherited the variables from the computer bundle class. And proceed. The multi-level inheritance. A class inherits from another class, forming a chain. For example, the class animal with the method eat, and the child class dog extends animal, void bark, the method, and a puppy that extends from the dog class, which has its own method whip. Okay. So the logic of this is that your child class has its own child class. Okay. For example, gaming bundle with we have a headphone. Okay. For example, we have a child class that has its own uniqueness. It's a gaming bundle, but premium. Okay. So high end gaming bundle. Let's create a new class. Then high end gaming bundle. Finish. And then we will extend gaming bundle. Okay. And then add a constructor. Let's add the uniqueness. So the high-end gaming bundle have its own GPU, okay, or the graphics card. Okay, so the super class or the parent class is the gaming bundle, and the child class is the high-end gaming bundle. And we have a unique variable GPU. So that's system out print line GPU. Okay, so we can add a GPU or another component which makes our high-end gaming bundle unique from its parent class gaming bundle. Then let's create an object. Okay, high-end gaming bundle. So high-end gaming 1 or bundle 1. New high-end gaming bundle. And then we will assign the values. Okay, so let's say MSI 32 inches monitor, and then mechanical keyboard, and then the gaming mouse, the Ryzen 7 with 32 GB of RAM, the let's say a very expensive headphone, and the unique component, which is the GPU, let's say RX 600. Okay, so if we run it, as you can see, we have our office bundle with free printer. We have our gaming bundle 1 with free headphone. And we have the high-end gaming bundle with GPU AMD RX 6600. So that is the multi-level inheritance. Thank you for watching this video. And for our next discussion, we will tackle about polymorphism. So see you on our next video.